Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're tackling a common issue many VirtualBox users face. The dreaded VTX is disabled in the BIOS error. Don't worry, we'll get you back up and running in no time. First, let us run our virtual machine to demonstrate this error. If you've seen this message, it means that virtualization technology is disabled in your computer's BIOS settings. Let's fix that. First things first, let's restart your computer and enter the BIOS setup. The key to access BIOS varies by manufacturer. For me, the key to access the BIOS is F10. Keep an eye on the screen during boot up for the right key. As soon as you see the manufacturer's logo, start tapping the key until you enter the BIOS. Once you're in the BIOS, look for a tab labeled Advanced CPU Configuration or something similar. This can vary depending on your motherboard. Make sure to enable it. Once you've done that, save your changes and exit the BIOS. Your computer will restart. After your computer boots up, open VirtualBox again. You should no longer see that error message. And there you have it. You're all set to run your virtual machines without any issues. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.